The biggest reason for Shaw to find solutions for flooring installers is the customer experience. So when we think about customer experience, that installer going into that home or building or wherever it may be installing that flooring, at the end of the day, those installers want to leave knowing that that customer is satisfied. So being able to have the right prep products, adhesives, wherever that may be, from a TotalWorx standpoint, to have a successful install is going to have that installer have a successful installation, and that customer is going to be happy at the end of the day.
So it's important for Shaw to find solutions for installers. There's a couple of things. We want to make sure our products are paired with the right accessory, with the right installation method, and that they know how to install our products so it performs the best. We also want to help them save time, make sure they don't have callbacks and things like that, because not only our reputation is on the line, but their reputation can be on the line. So we want to help with that solution and make sure that flooring install gets completed the best it can.
So personally, I think the biggest installation challenges that exist currently are resources. There's a lot of different things that are out there, but resources kind of seem to be lacking a lot of information that's needed for installers. So one of the challenges that we have taken upon here at Shaw in TotalWorx is to create vast resources, not just in English, but also in multiple languages, so that we can reach the installer base wherever they're at, no matter their demographic, and be sure that we can provide them with accurate resources that really tell the story of the product and its best usage, ultimately making the installation really seamless and easy for the installer.
The Spanish-speaking flooring installation demographic is an essential segment within the flooring industry and the broader construction and home improvement industry, particularly in regions with a higher Hispanic population. TotalWorx has identified that there is a gap communicating to the Spanish-speaking community, and a key area of focus for the brand is to provide training and resources for this growing number of flooring installation professionals. Understanding this demographic and communicating with them directly allows TotalWorx to serve and engage with this key demographic within the flooring installation community.
How a TotalWorx accessory aims to take the question mark out of installation is by creating those solutions. So you think about those prep products, we're preparing that substrate, applying the correct adhesive that's paired up with that product, also offering the correct trims, and at the end, we're providing the right cleaning product to have a successful installation, but also a happy customer.
So for our cause marketing pads, we give back to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, and on the Pet Perfect side, we give back to PetSmart Charities. So we're very proud of that program. Those have been going on for years now, and glad to be a partner of theirs.
If you want more information or how to reach out to your TotalWorx ambassador, get in contact with your local Shaw hard surface or soft surface rep. They will contact them and get that ambassador out to your store to help you find solutions for your everyday problems with your installation.